Hey y'all, today I'm coming at you guys with my base mostly done. I am doing a Brat Charlie XCX Brat vibes inspired Brat Mean Girls 360 So Julia makeup tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna be using the Sephora Pro palette today. I think it's the editorial. Yeah, editorial. I'm gonna use this neon baby diarrhea green to start. So yesterday I actually listened to Brat all the way through for the first time. It was pretty good. I liked it. I wasn't as much of a fan of it as I am of like my safe kinds of music. But my top four were 360, Talk Talk, Mean Girls, and 365. I liked those ones a lot, and I actually added them to my playlist because I liked them that much. Which, if you know me, I do not like listening to music that I don't already like. So that's a big step for me. So I just added that green into my crease. Looks pretty good. I'm also going to have to dip into the birthday dinner palette. I'm gonna use the kind of light neon green. It's a little less pukey than the one I just used. I'm gonna put it closer to the lid and on the outside. I'm gonna keep this a little round. I actually tried this the other day and failed completely miserably. So I'm starting again because when in doubt, try again. I'm pretty sure RuPaul said that. One of my problems last time is I had a lot of fallout, so I have my powder on my cheeks to save me today. Hopefully, anyway. That looks so good. I've been getting behind on my YouTube videos recently, so I'm trying to get ahead of the curve, which is the opposite of getting behind. It's not really working. I'm a busy man, but hopefully you guys blow up one of my videos and then I can just live off of your love and AdSense for the rest of my life. So if you want to start on this video, that's completely fine. My Wario video got some love, so maybe just throw some cash my way. I was gonna put a dark green in the very corner. I don't think I'm gonna do that because I don't want to. What I am gonna do is focus and do some black liquid liner. I kind of munched and ate on that, so let me let it dry and I'll be right back. What is your guys' favorite Charlie song? My favorite is Beg For You featuring Rina Sawayama. I love that song. I think it's so good. I haven't done eyeliner in a while, other than my failed attempt the other day. Let's head into the black shadow in the School Gets Out at 3:30 palette and create a little wing. I forgot to say, my top favorite song on Brat is actually the Girl So Confusing remix with Lorde, which isn't even on Brat, but I love Lorde. I love Lorde so much. She really got me through all my troubles in the 8th grade. So I owe her a lot. I have hooded eyes. I don't know if you guys knew. That looks good though. Why did I kind of chomp and eat, to be honest? Oh yeah, I'm getting fallout. Thank God I have this powder one. I'm using the Mega Liner from Wet n Wild. I've had it for months, weeks, eons, and years. My eyes are two completely different shapes. Now we get to the crux of my main issue with wearing cosmetics. I do not like under eye shadow, and if I put shadow on my under eyes, my eyes water and it doesn't stick and it looks really bad. So I'm just not putting any under. I am gonna put some blush on though. I am obsessed with bright under eyes, but this might be a little foolish. Also, look at that. Well, I blinked and now there's black shadow in my crease, so let me just commit to it. Hey, that's actually really cool, so I'm going to let this dry completely and then come back. It's dry. I look like a cartoon character in a really interesting and sexy way. So I just groomed my mustache, so it's looking better than ever recently, as in the last hour. This is clear mascara from Essence that has just accumulated brown and black products over the years. So I just use it for my brows and my mustache. My hair isn't technically black, it's very, very dark brown, but it has a lot of gold and red in it. My eyes actually change color based on the weather. I'm not talking about that. In the sun, my hair changes color. So using black on my eyebrows is not ideal, but can you tell right now? Doesn't it look good? Should I wear eyeliner more often? Yeah, kind of serving time in a women's penitentiary, am I right? I'm not gonna set this because I'm terrified that it will get ruined. So that's all done. Thank you so much for watching my So Julia Let's Work Out on the Remix Brat makeup video tutorial vibe Slay Diva. I'm gonna figure out what to title this video, and I will see you guys next time. Peace, y'all.